Now, this illustration deals with lighting outlets in rooms that are occupied. You're going to have habitable type rooms. Now, notice some folks say, well, the bathroom, you know, you're not going to live in there. You're just going to go in and you leave. A closet. They say, you know, that's not an area where you're going to live. You're just going to hang clothes. So they have a definition of what is considered rooms that are going to be occupied by people, so to speak. Now, notice in the illustration, you basically have a lighting outlet in each room. You have receptacles in the room that are put in and located by 210.52 of the code. But you basically have a wall switched outlet. Some cases, you know, the code would allow you to have a receptacle that you could switch. But if you switched it, then you'd need another receptacle that would be required there, but 210.52. Now, notice we illustrate this in the very top part of the illustration. A switched receptacle outlet is permitted by 210.70A1 exception 1. And then we get into, well, is it, if you switch it and it's completely off, would it be permissible to serve as a receptacle that could be used in accordance to 210.52? And the way I read the code, the answer would be no, but that you broke the little length between the duplex and switched the top and left the bottom still energized at all time. In my opinion, then that would be legal. But this is an area, be sure you check with the authority having jurisdiction or know exactly what they're going to require. But this mainly, this figure 11-6 just mainly deals lighting outlets in these rooms that are going to be occupied by people now by the 2020 NEC. But this is in accordance with 210.70A1 for lighting outlets, and the receptacles would be installed in accordance with 210.52.